what's up guys, welcome to our channel. And this Ferrari that I have registered the dashboard issue of the previous video. So my customer have sent the car to the workshop to have the dashboard repaired, because I knew it was an instrument cluster with the dashboard and it was all Christmas night or the morning nights. So he got the car yesterday and he's working, everything's working. But the problem is the suspension issue. They are the warning light for the suspension. So basically, every time when it drives, they keep up a warning, it doesn't go off. So you know what happened, because he has seen the suspension, he reverbed all the suspension. Maybe I know that the man will attach the wire to the accelerator sensor or the balance sensor in the car. So it's very complex issue, and I hope he is not the suspension issue. Alright, so now I have to break in the security issue to check the suspension light, and it just what came out of the fault code. Like maybe it's a accelerator sensor or the balance sensor. So I just check if it's all go off, it might be the suspension issue. We need to see. Yeah, let's go. The brake is fine. This is right here. Okay. And then I take my phone to scan the issue. Let me see. Okay, I just set the car. So now I need to try for a bit to confirm that the light appears, but it might be the accelerator, the sensor, because the sensor may go crazy. So I don't know, trying to confirm whether go for the speed bump or go for the speed low or middle speed. You see what affected the suspension lights. When you see. There you go. Now it's off, but because maybe it's detected the sensor, so now that the speed bump there.
What is that?
So if it goes low, it's normal. Okay, that's very wet. So I'm now when run really slow, so it hasn't affected the suspension. So maybe that my customer needs to drive a bit faster, so that we can see if it reappears. started working. So funny, I just got the car, I got the coast, and now there's no something easy at the moment. But when my friend just drive around more faster and the engine is really hot. It's very warm, it's around 100, and the good news, he put the dashboard, so everything no problem at all. So, meet you in the next video.